So now is 331-006 and 175-112. Let's shoot on there. Siempre a la Godre Wells. Also arriving in now is 158865.
East Midlands Railway service to Nottingham, calling at Stockport, Sheffield, Chesterfield, Alfreton and Nottingham.
Arriving in now is 331-029. Coming from Rosehill Marple. Arriving in over there is the 150 plus 156. Coming from Rosehill Marple to Manchester Piccadilly. Next departing obviously is the van to West Coast after the East Midlands Railway. And it is a double crosser here because there is an EMA regional up there that's now departing. Departing now is 151 130. Coupled up with 156. Departing now is 1588-865. Let's do it on there. Off 158 off 2 Nottingham.